slipping. Yeah, I'm doing this intro kind of late, guys. But we are hitting some back roads. It's kind of hard to hit back roads where we're at right now because we just had a really bad storm last week and all these roads are still flooded as shit. So I guess we're just gonna get straight into it. Yippee! That was good. That was good. That was good. That was good. You're... Yeah, so we pulled over for a little bit. We're trying to figure out, so it looks like it's gonna rain over there. That's pretty close to us. So we're trying to figure out what to do. We're probably just gonna hit the back roads going back. It sucks though, because we literally just got on these back roads too. And plus, like I said, there's an event going on. I mean, it's just too crowded. We can't maneuver like we want to without being dicks. I was wondering why it feels cooler too. That's because of the fucking rain. Look at all that. Holy crap. Windy as fuck out of nowhere, bro. People ate us up right here. People ate us up right here. Yeah. 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 was a good corner. Yeah, that last corner. I already know I'm gonna get shit for it. He went on the outside. That's because I saw no cars coming, man. Oh, okay, we're going. Stabilizer kicked in right there, going across that bridge, bro. Oh. Backroad's kind of coming to an end. That rain's just inching closer and closer. I mean, hopefully I got good footage. I want to wheelie so bad, bro. I did it! I did it, bro! I did it! Holy crap! Oh, that was good. Look at the puppy! I'm probably gonna end the vlog right there, though. As you can tell, it got not extremely, but it got pretty dark. It's about to start pouring on us, and we're not gonna hit back roads whenever it's raining and shit. My wheelies, though, y'all saw that? I'm getting a little bit better at them. They're scary, though. They're scary. I'm not gonna lie, they're scary. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, show the support. Me and him are probably gonna do a bike swap video in a little bit, so stay on the lookout for that. But other than that, I hope you have a good rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed the content I've been putting out. If you have, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, show the support. Till next video, I will catch y'all later. Peace.